Welcome to our Boston Tulip Experience Center, where today we're showcasing a no-code LLM integration between Anthropic's Claude model and Tulip. This demonstration highlights how Tulip can embed LLMs directly into existing workflows and augment them with operational context. With Tulip's connector framework, we're able to create a connection to Anthropic's Claude API and combine it with Tulip's AI vision detectors to classify images in real time and create AI insights. As the operator places a bin of picked inventory parts on the tabletop to begin the assembly process, the change is detected by Tulip Vision, triggering the app to begin capturing images. These images are then sent from Tulip to Anthropic, where the Claude model classifies what's happened at the workstation. The results from Claude are then returned to the Tulip app for further processing and analysis. The AI model can accurately classify when an operator is assembling or fastening, and can identify downtime when an operator steps away from the station. AI-generated data can be viewed as a timeline of activities, providing supervisors with an understanding of what is happening at each station. This visibility can help supervisors optimize workflows and improve overall efficiency. Tulip can integrate with Anthropic and other common LLM providers, unlocking a world of possibilities for optimizing your operations. By leveraging AI to analyze real-time data and add context, businesses can gain a deeper understanding of their process and continuously transform and improve their operations. Applications for AI are vast and varied, and Tulip provides a platform for AI built for your operations.